Sa video natin ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano gamitin yung Helium 10 Cerebro to find competitor keywords the right way without guessing or copying blindly. What's up guys? Ako nga pala si Ashley, and if you've ever looked at successful Amazon listing at napapaisip ka kung paano sila nakakakuha ng traffic while your product feels invisible, this video is for you. Yung keyword research, isa siya sa mga bagay na laging pinag-uusapan ng lahat, but honestly, very few people actually understand how to do it correctly. Most sellers either overthink or skip it completely at parehong nauuwi sa isang problema. Your product never gets a real chance to rank. Yung Cerebro, isa sa pinaka-powerful na tool sa loob ng Helium 10, but only if you use it with intention. So today, I will walk through kita step by step how to use it, what to look for, what to ignore, and how to pull keywords from competitors without hurting your own listing. So let's get into it. Unahin muna natin yung basics. Kung ano ba talaga yung Helium 10 Cerebro? So yung Cerebro, siya yung reverse ASI and keyword research tool ng Helium 10. So instead of guessing what keyword people search for, hinahayaan ka ng Cerebro na tignan yung actual competitor products and see what keywords they're ranking for. Sa Amazon, ilagay mo lang yung ASIN ng competitor mo and Cerebro shows you the keywords driving traffic to that product. Kasama dito yung search volume, ranking position, and keyword relevance. The goal is not to steal keywords blindly. Ang goal talaga is maintindihan kung paano kinoconnect ng Amazon yung products sa search terms so you can make smarter decisions for your own listing. Why competitor keywords research matters? Iba ang takbo ng Amazon SEO kumpara sa Google. Sa Amazon, yung keywords direktang connected sa buying intent. People are searching because they want to purchase something, not just read about it. If your listing is not aligned with the keywords buyers are actually using, walang dahilan si Amazon para ipakita ang product mo. Competitor research removes that guesswork. Kaya imbes na mag-guess ka kung ano ang pwedeng gumana, you're looking at keywords that are already proven to convert. Kaya ganun na lang ka-powerful si Cerebro. Kapag ginamit siya ng tama, how Cerebro fits into a smart Amazon SEO strategy. Hindi siya about sa pag-copy lang ng isang competitor and pasting their keywords everywhere. It's really about pattern recognition. When you analyze multiple competitors, makikita mo yung mga overlapping keywords. These are the terms Amazon already associates with your type of product. Ang trabaho mo is piliin ang mga keywords that make sense for your product and match search intent. Dito mo binubuo yung relevance without keyword stuffing. So ngayon, pag-usapan natin yung ilang key features ng Cerebro. Isa sa pinaka-importante dito ay yung reverse ASI and lookup. This lets you pull keywords data directly from competitor listings instead of starting from scratch. Another key feature is filtering. Pwede mong i-narrow down yung keywords based sa search volume. Kasama dito yung ranking position, word count, and relevance. This help you avoid junk keywords that aren't gonna help your listing. Cerebro also shows ranking position for each keyword kaya mas maintindihan mo kung gaano ka-competitive yung isang keyword. Ang isang keyword na may mataas na search volume means nothing if your product has no chance to rank for it. At panghuli, pinapayagan ka ng Cerebro na mag-analyze ng multiple ASINs sabay-sabay. This is critical for finding overlapping keywords instead of relying on a single competitor. Ngayon, i-walk through natin kung paano gamitin si Cerebro in a very simple way. First off, if you don't already have a Helium 10 account, may exclusive link kami sa baba kung saan pwede ka makasave ng up to 20%, pero pag-usapan pa natin in more detail yung different plans later on sa video. So step number 1 is maghanap ng real competitor ASIN. Ang gagawin natin, pupunta tayo sa Amazon at magsa-search ng keyword na related sa product like skincare, face mask, maybe gusto natin ng sheet mask, okay? Tapos hahanapin natin yung ASIN number and then pupunta tayo sa Helium 10 dashboard at i-open natin si Cerebro. Now we can go ahead and get keywords. Sa results screen na to, makikita mo yung sobrang daming keywords. And honestly, nakaka-overwhelm siya pero hindi mo naman kailangan tignan lahat. Yung pinaka-importante lang dito ay yung keyword phrase at search volume. Okay? And ranking position. The two numbers together really tell the full story. Search volume tells you how often buyers search that keyword at kung ranking position naman tells you how well the competitor ranks for it. So again, yung dalawang numbers na to magkasama, binibigay nila yung full picture. Ang gagawin mo ngayon is pwede mong isort by search volume tapos i-filter out natin yung low quality keywords. So ang gagawin natin is punta tayo sa filters, okay? Pwede mo siyang i-type dito sa AI section is i-exclude yung low low search volume, then makikita mo na yung organic rank dito. So next, i-filter mo naman by ranking position. So keywords where competitors rank very poorly may not be relevant to the product. If you want keywords where competitors rank reasonably well, kasi ibig sabihin nun ina-associate na ni Amazon yung mga terms na yon sa type ng product, filtering keeps you focused at nakaka-save talaga ng time. Next step is hanapin yung keywords pattern. So ito yung pinaka-importanting part. Imbis na basta ka lang kumuha ng random keywords, look for patterns or the same phrases. Yung mga lumalabas across multiple competitors, kadalasan variation sila ng isang core keyword. These overlapping keywords are your strongest opportunities. They show you what Amazon expects to see on a listing like yours. At dito nagiging strategic si Cerebro imbis na nakaka-overwhelm lang. Pwede ka rin mag-add ng dalawa o ilang competitors pa. Nakakatulong to para mas makita mo yung ibang competitors, hindi lang isang specific na tinitignan mo. Next, you wanna evaluate keyword intent, so not all keywords are equal. Even if search volume is high, ask yourself what someone is actually looking for when they search that term. Tugma ba yung keyword sa product mo exactly? O masyado siyang broad o masyado namang specific? Dapat specific. Your goal here is relevance. Ranking for the wrong keyword won't help sales. Yung step na to para maiwasan yung wasted effort later on. So, for example, this is the search volume trend, okay? So, FSA, eligible items only list. Hindi to necessarily gagana para sa product mo kung face mask siya. Smile line patches, instant face, faceless serum, vitamin C travel essentials. So, obvious, kung may vitamin C yung product mo, pwede siya. Pero kung wala naman, hindi siya relevant. And instead, pwede pa siyang makasama sa sales mo. Kasi, papasok yung mga tao na akala nila may vitamin C yung skincare mo, tapos nakita nilang wala pala. Hindi sila bibili. The next step, dapat i-save mo yung keywords strategically. So, kapag na-identify mo na yung good keywords, i-save mo sila sa keyword list inside Helium 10. Organize them based on priority. May mga keywords na dapat nasa title. Other work better in bullet points or back-end search items. Hindi mo kailangan ng hundreds of keywords. You just need the right ones para ma-maintain mo yung focused and clean optimization. Ngayon, ang gagawin mo is kung may mga keywords na talagang relevant sa'yo, i-click mo lang sila dito. Piliin mo yung mga keywords na talagang may sense para sa product mo. Tapos, pwede mo siyang i-add sa keyword tracker para ma-save mo at ma-track later on. Pwede ka rin mag-add sa list. So, pwede kang gumawa ng separate folder at doon mo siya ilagay. Pwede rin sa campaign or i-save sa product ideas. So, they just make it really easy to manage all of this data, okay? So, ngayon, paano gagamitin sa Cerebro? Dapat yung keywords inilalagay mo ng natural sa listing mo. Yung main keyword mo usually dapat nasa title. Yung supporting keywords naman, pwede sa bullet points and descriptions where they make sense. Yung back-end keywords, para sila sa mga relevant terms na hindi natural ilagay sa visible content. Huwag mong i-force yung keyword sa listing mo. Amazon really values readability and relevance kesa sa keyword density. Ngayon, ilan sa mga common mistakes na dapat iwasan sa Cerebro? Una, ang pag-copy ng lahat ng keyword that your competitor ranks for. Pangalawa, yung nakafocus lang sa high search volume keywords nang hindi iniisip ang competition and relevance. Many sellers also forget to analyze that multiple ASINs kaya nagiging skewed yung data. Mas effective si Cerebro when it's used thoughtfully and not rushed, okay? So just some things to keep in mind as you're using it. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin yung different plans and pricing options para makapag-decide ka kung bagay ba siya sa workflow mo. Again, kung gagamitin mo yung link namin sa baba, makakakuha ka ng 20% off for 6 months gamit yung Ecom Mastery 20 or 10% off every month kapag ginamit mo yung code ng Ecom Mastery 10. Okay? So, may ilang different options sila dito. Meron silang starter, platinum, and diamond. Yung starter is $39 per month. At dito makukuha mo yung expert training through online video course plus access sa Google Chrome extension. Limited usage to keyword product research tools, limited din sa listing building and optimizations. Makukuha mo rin yung features like track earnings, evaluate reviews, limited usage ng market tracker, at limited usage ng inventory management. Nasa platinum plan ako, $99 per month kapag billed yearly. Kasama na dito lahat ng nasa starter, but you get to find product opportunities. Mas mataas na usage para sa listing building. Pwede ka rin gumamit ng AI-powered advertising at mamamonitor mo yung progress mo. They even have the expand to Amazon to TikTok gamit yung streamlined operation and automated FBA reimbursements through managed refund service. Then lastly, yung Diamond plan, which is $279 a month, billed yearly. Kasama na dito lahat ng nasa Platinum plan, pero pwede kang mag-add ng additional keyword and listing optimization tools, increase automated keyword recommendations for ads, at pwede kang maghanap ng seasonal keyword opportunities with 24 months of historical data. May advanced advertising capabilities strategies ka rin, pwede ka mag-expand to new marketplaces and get personalized and actionable insights to grow. So, pumili ka ng plan na pinakabagay sa needs mo. Pwede ka namang mag-start sa lowest plan, yung starter plan, tapos mag-upgrade ka na lang later on. Before we wrap up, gusto ko lang i-cover yung mga pros and cons para mag-decide mo kung bagay ba talaga siya sa'yo. So, simulan natin sa pros. Nagbibigay si Cerebro ng real keyword data diretso mula sa competitor listings at tinatanggal niya yung guesswork sa Amazon. Yung SEO filtering and multi-ASN analysis, mas nagiging accurate yung keyword research at nakakatipid din ng time kumpara sa manual research. Pero for the cons naman, pwedeng ma-feel na overwhelming siya sa simula. Keyword data still requires judgment and strategy at hindi lahat ng keywords na lumalabas ay tama para sa bawat product. Isa pang con, hindi mo pwedeng bilhin si Cerebro lang. You get all of Helium 10's tools. So, pwede yung maging factor sa cost. So, ayun, ilang bagay lang na dapat mong tandaan. Kung seryoso ka sa pagsasell sa Amazon, isa sa Cerebro sa pinaka-valuable na tools na pwede mong gamitin. It helps you understand how Amazon actually works instead of guessing. You don't need to be advanced to use it. You just need to be intentional. Kung gusto mong gamitin si Cerebro today at mag-save ng 20%, siguraduhin gamitin ang exclusive link namin sa description sa baba and use code EcomMastery10 or EcomMastery20. Hindi kailangan maging complicated yung Amazon keyword research, kailangan lang siyang gawin with purpose. Cerebro gives you that visibility into what's already working so you can build smarter listings instead of starting from scratch. Kapag binigyan mo ng time, intindihin yung patterns and intent, nagiging isang keyword research sa pinakamalaking advantage mo. That wraps up this video. This channel is dedicated to helping you build and grow e-commerce business with clear, practical strategies. Don't forget na i-like yung video na to, mag-subscribe sa channel kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, and of course, mag-iwan ng comments or questions sa baba. Gusto naming marinig ang thoughts mo. Salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video.